Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable Google Keyboard on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone 11 is the iOS 18.3.2. Now to enable Google Keyboard on your iPhone, just go to your home screen. Now from here just open the App Store. Now from here just search Google Keyboard. Now from here, scroll down and install this app. Now it will take a few seconds to download the app. Now from here, once the app is fully downloaded, tap on Open. Now from here, tap on Get Started. Now from here, tap on Enabling Full Access. Now from here, tap on Get Started. Now from here, tap on Keyboards and make sure you enable Gboard. Now from here, enable Allow Full Access. Now from here, tap on Allow. Now from here, if you open the keyboard on your iPhone, you will get the option of Google Keyboard. Just like that. Now from here, if you want to change the keyboard back to Apple's original keyboard, just tap on this globe icon at the lower left corner on the display. Just like that. And this is how you can enable Google Keyboard on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.